Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to draw a circle of a given diameter in Scratch using pen art. In the last video, we discussed how to draw the circle in Scratch. So here is the custom block for drawing the circle in Scratch. But the problem with this custom block is that it will draw the circle of fixed diameter only. Let's first calculate the diameter of circle drawn by this custom block. We cannot simply guess the diameter just by looking at it. We have to do some calculation. Can you guess the circumference of this circle? Circumference of this circle is 360 multiplied by 1 because it is actually covering total 360 steps, right? And if we know the circumference, we can easily calculate the diameter because the diameter is equals to circumference divided by pi. Pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. If the circumference is 360 and pi is 3.14, so this is the diameter of this circle. If I supply you the diameter, the circumference will be pi multiplied by d. So you have to cover total this much of distance in the entire calculation, and we are doing total 360 rotation. So in one rotation it has to cover these much steps, pi into d divided by 360. Now let's make a block of drawing a circle with a given diameter. So click on the make a block and name it circle underscore d. We will add an input dia and we can put a label as well, diameter, and choose this run without screen refresh and press OK. Now the logic is going to remain same, so I am going to duplicate it and put it here. The only thing that will change is this move one step. So the number of steps that should be moved will be pi multiplied by d divided by 360. So let's make this equation pi multiplied by d. Pi is 3.14 and d is diameter here, and then divided by 360 degree. Put it here. That's it. Instead of this circle, we will use this circle underscore d and let's draw a circle of diameter 100. First, I will erase everything and I will try this. If I make a circle of, let's say, 200 diameter, will it be able to do? Yes. So if I make a circle of diameter 50, will it be able to do? Yes, it is doing. But how do we verify that it is actually drawing the circle of 50 diameter only? There is a very interesting way to verify that, which is if I can fit this circle in a square of same side, then it can be verified. So this is the custom block to draw the square. What I will do here is, first I will do the pen up, then I will take my turtle to the extreme left, which is change x by minus 50. Then I will do pen down again, and then I will draw the square of side, let's say 100. Because the diameter is also 100, the square side should also be 100. Let's see. The circle is completely fitting inside the square. It means we are absolutely correct. Thank you for watching the video.